Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our friendly English learning podcast. Today, we're focusing on a super fun topic, making plans. But not just any plans. We're going to show you how to use phrasal verbs when arranging social events. I'm Sophia, and joining me is my good friend Ethan. We'll pretend we're planning some get-togethers and show you real examples of how these verbs naturally fit into everyday conversation. So, Ethan, I was thinking we should hang out this weekend. Hang out means spending time together in a relaxed way. You might just chat, watch a movie, or do something casual.
That sounds awesome. It's been a while since we've really had a chance to hang out.
Exactly. I miss just chilling. Let's see if a few friends want to come along too. Come along is a phrasal verb that means join or go together with others. For instance, if we say, "Would you like to come along to the mall?" We're asking if someone wants to join.
Yes, the more, the merrier. I'll text John and Maria to see if they can come along. They love to hang out with us on Saturdays.
I'm thinking we should meet up around 4 o'clock p.m. That way we have plenty of time to grab dinner later. Meet up is another phrasal verb meaning gather in person, usually at a set place and time.
Sounds good. Once we meet up, maybe we can decide together where to go. I heard there's a new cafe in town that's perfect for hanging out.
Yes, let's go there first. Then, if we want to do something else, we can just move on to the next spot. By the way, if something unexpected happens, I'll let you know if we have to call off our plan. Call off means cancel an event or plan. For example, we had to call off the party because of rain.
I hope we don't have to call off anything, but I appreciate the heads up. Let's stay positive and assume we'll all be free.
So, who should we invite? Maybe Lucy wants to come along. She told me she's been bored lately.
Sure, I'll text Lucy. If she can't come along, we'll ask Sam. He's been asking to hang out more often anyway.
Great idea. Once we confirm who's coming along, let's decide on the final plan. If Lucy can't make it, maybe we'll head out to a different place. Head out means leave or depart for somewhere. So, let's say Lucy texts and says she can't make it. We might need to call off meeting at the cafe and pick another place that's closer for Sam. Or maybe Lucy says she can only meet later, so we can push back our time to 5 on Tuesdays. Push back means reschedule to a later time.
Exactly. And if we're not sure what to do, we could chat up Sam about it or check in with him. Chat up can mean having a friendly conversation, though sometimes it can also mean flirting. But in this context, it's just talk to someone. Check in means contact someone to see how they're doing or confirm plans.
Yes, chat up can have different meanings, but here it's casual. Another option is if we're already out and Lucy wants to join later, she can just show up. Show up means arrive somewhere, often without a big announcement.
On Saturday, I might text you saying, "I'm about to head out. See you at the cafe." If there's a sudden change, like we need to meet somewhere else, I'll let you know so we don't end up at different places. End up means finally arrive in a situation or place, often unexpectedly.
Yes, good point. We don't want to end up wandering around looking for each other. Also, if John doesn't show up after 30 minutes, we might go ahead without him. Go ahead means start or proceed without waiting. We'll pretend we're planning some get-togethers. and show you real examples of how these verbs naturally fit into everyday conversation. Ethan, I was thinking, how long has it been since we all hung out together? I can't even remember the last time we had a group gathering.
You're right, Sophia. It's been ages. Life got busy for everyone, I guess. But we should definitely meet up soon. I'm kind of craving a good catch-up session.
Exactly. Actually, I have an idea. Why don't we plan a small potluck at my place? We can invite a few friends to come along, bring some food, and just relax.
That sounds awesome. Let's see. Maybe next Saturday? We can reach out to Maria, John, and Lucy. I'm sure they'd love to hang out as well.
Cool. I'll reach out to Maria tonight. I think she's free on Saturdays. By the way, do you want me to pick up any special snacks? Or should we do a potluck style where everyone brings something?
Let's do potluck style. It's more fun that way, and nobody has to handle all the food by themselves. We can make a quick list of what people might bring, so we don't end up with 10 desserts and no main courses, you know?
Yes, definitely. Also, if Lucy can't make it, we might need to ask around for someone else who can bring drinks. But I'm looking forward to seeing Lucy. She always brightens the party.
Me too. I haven't seen her in a while, so it'll be nice to catch up on what she's been doing. Last I heard, she was learning how to bake pies. Maybe she'll bring one over.
So, next Saturday. Let's aim for, say, 5 p.m. That way we can eat dinner, but it's not too late. However, if something happens, we can always push back the time to 6 or 7.
Yeah, 5 p.m. is perfect. If Maria or John calls off last minute, we'll still have enough people to make it fun. But hopefully, everyone can make it.
True. I'm crossing my fingers nobody has to call off last minute. This group rarely manages to meet up these days, so I'm looking forward to a full house.